guys, Mstoofine here. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be doing this look for you guys, and yes, another bomb look coming to you as per usual. So I do have a review on this wig which will be down in the description box, and it will also pop up here on the screen or here, I don't remember, I think it's on the left side. So yeah, if you want to see how I get this look done, then definitely just keep on watching. So I did my eyebrows off camera, so I'm just going to get right into the video. So I'm going to start out by priming my eyelid. So I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Fawn and the Shana Cole collection in MC2. Then I'm going to be blending this out with a brush. So I'm going to be setting that with the Sacha Buttercup powder. Going back into that BH palette, I'm going to be using this shadow, and I'm going to be applying this on the ends of the blue. So I'm going back in with the blue just to blend all the shades together. Going into my Juvia's Space Masquerade palette, I am going to be using Zola, and I'm just going to wet the brush. So I am applying some glitter sealant to my lid. Then I'm going to go in with my Ambrosia Cosmetics glitter in Malibu, and I'm going to be applying this to my lid. I'm going to go off camera to apply my wing liner and my lashes, then I'll come back on camera. Okay, so I'm going to try the Jackie Aina trick, where she used the Laura Mercier translucent medium deep, and I'm going to be placing this all over my face before applying the foundation. So this is to help to mattify my face. So for foundation, I'll be using the Maybelline Fit Me in 355. So for concealer, I am going to be taking the Face by Shana concealer, and this is in DW1. So I'm going to be applying this with a brush, and I'm going to be taking a damp beauty blender to blend this out. I am going to be setting this with a mixture of loose powders. Okay, so I'm going to go under my eyes again just to leave some powder because I'm going to fix my lower lash line. Okay, so for contour, it's the usual CoverGirl Ebony bronze, and I'm just going to be bronzing up the skin. So for my lower lash line, I am going to be using the LA Girl Glide eyeliner, and I'm going to apply this to my waterline. So I'm going to go back in with that blue, and I'll be applying this to my lower lash line. Then I'm going back in with that pink. So for my inner tear duct, I am going to be going into my J. La Rule white gold pigment, and I'm going to be applying this on the inner corners of my eyes. So I am going to be dusting the powder away. So for blush, I'm going to be using my Juvia's Place Saharan blush palette, and I'll be picking up this shade. So for highlighter, I'm going to go in with my Face by Chanel Glow Powder. So I'm going to go over that with some more blush. To finish off the look, I'm going to be using my Mario Badescu facial spray, and I'm spraying this all over my face. So for my lips, I'm going to be lining this with a brown pencil. So for lips, I am going to be using the NYX Butter Gloss, and this is in Fortune Cookie. Okay, I think I'm going to leave the lips like this. I'm just going to top it up with some Kiss Clear Gloss. So I'm going to change and then I'll come back on camera. So guys, this is the finished look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys did enjoy this video, as I had fun making this look, well, creating this look for you guys. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe if you aren't a subscriber. Follow me on Instagram, and until next time, I'll definitely see you guys in the next one. I love you guys. Mwah. Bye babies. Kelly, what I said, turn it down. So for highlighter, I'm going to be going in with the all the so Kelly, you want mommy beat up?